black slime with me. It's like I got this crystal mud, but it's actually slime. Like I did feel the textures like before, and yeah, got this morning. So yeah, like it comes with this. Let me open this. My word, the slime is still closed by the way. So it comes like with this. It's like this squishy. I don't know what isn't his name Kevin? I think his name is Kevin, but I don't play Minecraft, so yeah. I love this squishy so much. And I've been wanting slime for the past month now, cause I was like, I want. Can you buy this? Can you buy that? Can you buy that? But this came, so yeah. I'm so excited to use this in the future. Next we actually have the, I don't know why does it say crystal mud if it's actually slime. Yeah, but like I did, like it was first purple when I opened it, but now like there was white stuff in the bottom like here, and then I took it out because like I had to test if it's actually slime, because what if it was like actual mud and then I didn't know. But yeah, we mixed it all together and this is how it looks. So yeah, guys, let's not speak about the way how I've been, like 2018 was prime slime year. Like I've been trying to make it, but now I have my own. Oh my gosh. So this is basically like an example of how sticky is it from 1 to 10. I'm not going to take out a big piece, but I'm also not going to take out a small piece at the same time. So like this is alright. Guys, I have touched slime before. I have played with slime before, but like it's been years now. I honestly love this squishy so much. But yeah, it looks like this. Oh Lord, I can't make bubbles with it, so don't judge. I've been actually wanting it for the past month. I probably asked for it in January. Around January. You see how sticky is it? It's stuck to my hand. Guys, any tips on what to do? Because I'm bored. But yeah. This has been on my mind. Like slime has been on my mind for the past few days. But yeah, and yeah, so basically what I think how it must be is like, you see where the Kevin guy, whatever his name is, the Minecraft guy, you see, I think that's the like slime was going here, like where he was in, and then like he can just like, I don't know, but yeah. And guys, I am gonna make ASMR shorts. I might make ASMR for this. Yeah. See me run around. Bye guys.